Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add background music to your Roblox game. First, open Roblox Studio and load the game you're working on. Then go to the Explorer window. Find the folder called Workspace. Click the little plus sign next to Workspace. This will open a menu with different objects you can add. From that list, select Sound. This adds a sound object to the workspace. You can rename the sound object if you want. Now, click on the sound object you just added. Look at the Properties window. If you don't see the Properties window, go to the View tab at the top and make sure Properties is checked. In the Properties window, scroll down until you see the options called Looped and Playing. Check the box next to Looped. This will make the music play over and over without stopping. Then check the box next to Playing. This makes sure the music starts as soon as the game begins. Right under that, you'll see the volume setting. You can change the volume here. Next, go to the Toolbox panel. If the toolbox is not showing, go to the View tab and make sure Toolbox is checked. In the toolbox, click on the drop-down menu at the top left and select Audio. This will show you a list of music and sound effects you can use. Search for a background song you like. When you find one you want to use, right-click on it and choose Copy Asset ID. This copies the unique code for that sound. Now go back to the sound object you added earlier in the workspace. Make sure it's selected. In the Properties window, scroll down to the field called Sound ID. Click inside that box and paste the asset ID you copied. You can press Ctrl-V or right-click and choose Paste. Once the ID is in place, the sound object now knows which music to play. Now click the play button at the top to test your game. When the game loads, you should hear the music playing in the background. Since you set it to loop and play automatically, it will keep playing the whole time the game is running. That's how you add music to your game using Roblox Studio. Thanks for following along. I'll see you in the next one.